Welcome to my Bengali Learning Zone YouTube channel and Facebook page. Subscribe my YouTube channel and follow my Facebook page. So today we will learn Bengali vowels. There are 11 Bengali vowels in Bengali language. So here are the vowels look like. You can watch it for a few moments. So here all the alphabets are Bengali vowels. So now I will read the alphabets names and then I will pronounce the alphabets. Here are 5 alphabets and next page has 6 alphabets. So at first I will read the names and then I will pronounce the alphabets. So let's start. Shore o, shore o, shore a, shore a, rosho e, rosho e, দীর্ঘ ই, দীর্ঘ ই, হ্রস্ব উ, হ্রস্ব উ. And next page. দীর্ঘ উ, দীর্ঘ উ, রি, রি, এ, এ, ওই, ওই, উ, উ, ও, ও. So I'm reading again. Shore o, shore a, হ্রস্ব ই, দীর্ঘ ই, হ্রস্ব উ. Next page. দীর্ঘ উ, রি, এ, ওই, উ, ও. So now I will pronounce the alphabets. O, O, A, A, E, 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 U, U. Next page. U, U, Ri, Ri, A, A, Oi, Oi, U, U, O, O. So now I'm reading again. O, A, E, E, O. Here this E is short sound and this E is little bit long sound, and this O is short sound. And the next page, O, this O is little bit long sound. Ri, A, Oi, O, O. So last 5 and pronounced alphabets and the name of these alphabets are same. You can look this same similarity. This re and name same. Re, a, o, o is pronounced and the name are the same. So I hope you have enjoyed my videos. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Also follow me on Facebook page.